Alright guys, this is the back I was talking about, the one we're going to use. There's 10 of this little sachets inside it. It's like a wet wipe what you use. So what you do is you wash the suitcase off with soapy water and make sure you dry it. I put it outside in the sun, let it go dry nicely, and use your wipes afterwards when everything is dry. Leave the suitcase open, make sure everything on the inside is dry as well. Look at this, rubbish hand gloves. So let's see what this is there. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let's see. Well, they say up to 200 washes. That's how long it will last. Alright, give it a nice shine. Hope it stay like that. It'll be amazing, especially the rain and stuff. Oh, quite a strong smell on me. Look at the difference already. Nice and shiny, man. Look like brand new, spanking new, man. Imagine when that bike is finished and I have this on, going down to London, people will say, can I buy it? No, it's not for sale, it's a FJ12 on it. You know how much work I done in it? Hey, you don't have enough money to buy this. Let's turn it around. See the back bit? I always wonder how those Aussies in Australia struggle with the sun and the dust going on their motorbikes. Here in England we have a lot of rain. Hey. Where you going? Alright guys, what do you think? That is before, that's after. Look how nice shiny it stays. It's just wet now. Let's see. What I will do is I'll add another video in a week's time. We can check it out. What's it look like? If it's still nice and clean. Oh, how long did it take me? 5 minutes to do. Imagine you do that once a month, or maybe once in 6 months. Nice clean bike with the cases. I believe in a bit of respect, you know, keep your bike clean, make sure it's, you wash it regular, keep it shiny, man. There's nothing nicer than a clean bike. Imagine your wife appreciates as well, her clothes going in a nice case like that. I believe a lot of guys will say, oh well, my wife took all 3 of them. So you stick with one pair of clothes the whole weekend, but hey, that's a woman thing. But I think they appreciate it more. So there you go, guys. This is it. Let's see how long it lasts. If you have any comments or any questions about it, leave your comment for me, and like and subscribe, and we'll see what's happening after a few months. Or you let me know what you think about it. It's all yours. And please, guys, help me with this. I'm gonna do this video. I'm gonna build this bike. I will take everything apart again. It's just I was looking at something. How are you gonna do it? Gonna show you guys from step 1 where we start. What's the easy way to do it on your own? We're gonna need some help later on with certain things. But I'm gonna try to do it all myself. Show you guys it is doable. So I cannot wait to start this project. With your guys on the other side, you can help me. With subscribe, I can do more things on the FJ. I like to do a complete rebuild. But we start, I think we're going to do it in three parts. We're going to do the frame, the wheels, the handles, the brakes, and then we will do the engine afterwards with the electrics, and see if the old lady is starting up. So please, guys, help me out on this. Subscribe, share the video, comment on it, give us a like, and looking forward to see you guys. It's not going to be long now, and then we're going to start this video, and we're going to build this bike together. Alright, guys, have a good evening. Thank you for watching this, and enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the bikes, and be safe. Cheers all, have a good evening, bye.